Tools make our lives easier. So in this video, we'll show you amazing next level tools that you should know. A Parker punch tool is a high-speed air-powered pneumatic button punch tool that will fasten the metal decking side lap. If you install metal decking regularly, then this button punch tool will save your money on your labor cost. This pneumatic punch tool weighs around 17 kilograms and the price is $2,620. The Parker punch tool is capable of 9,600 punches per day versus a manual button punch that will average about 3,500 punches per day. It's a productive and versatile solution that provides safe access for different types of projects. This system is a low-cost, easy-to-operate, safe and portable scaffolding system built of rugged steel. The cost for repair is $240. It weighs about 9.1 kilograms. Set it up to hold securely on wooden poles with a positive double locking system. Move your work platform to the desired height with ease by engaging a convenient foot pump and then descend again with a simple hand crank. This innovative scaffolding setup can easily be adjusted to width up to 61 centimeters and reach up to 9.2 meters high. Continuing our selection, we have a high tensioning tool designed for strapping bands. This amazing tool has a spin tension handle, a spring-loader gripper, and built-in cutter with a vinyl-coated handle, available in a blue, rust-resistant finish. This tool has a torque of a ton. This version is compatible with bands of up to 20 mm wide and 1 mm thick. These bands are commonly used on electrical poles, communication towers, and railway structures to secure cables and equipment. Proper tensioning is crucial. The built-in blade effortlessly cuts through the straps. You can purchase this tool for $123. The new throat hole drill guide provides a fast and easy solution to determine the exit point location for your drilling and coring application. It works on wood drywall brick and concrete up to 23 centimeters thick. It's really easy to use. If all the diodes are red, accurately locate exit points through floors, walls, ceiling, and more with magnetic field detection technology. Normal mode scans through conventional interior walls up to 11.4 centimeters thick. When the receiver is near the target magnet, all LEDs will light red to indicate the drill location. The price tag for this product is $160. Now, let's take a look at an incredible tool to enhance comfort while working on roofs. It is designed to allow a temporary working surface on asphalt roof surface for roof pitches ranging. The unique wedge shape features one side for lower pitch and one steeper pitch, allowing for easy usage and maximum comfortability. There are two models available, a 61 cm wedge weighing 2.7 kilograms and an 81 cm wedge weighing 3.5 kilograms. Both models can support up to 113 kilograms, and reviews demonstrate their durability even when jump on them. Prices start at $100. Next up is an ingeniously tool for marking wood, tiles, linoleum, and more. You can change its shape according to your needs. Only need to change the tightness of the pencil holder and knots to achieve different shapes to complete the demand. It can be locked and fixed after each adjustment to ensure precision accuracy. It is made of high-quality aluminum alloy. That surface is with anodic oxidation treatment, which could help to extend the service life of the product. The price is also compact at $30 and it's weighing about 100 grams. These concrete form board brackets or batter bus currently sell on Amazon. Each corner of the batter board will require 4 brackets, while the form boards will require 4 brackets to make a 19-degree angle for the corners. This 1% system positions and adjusts wooden forms, rubber, and wooden or metal stakes to replace the batter board and frame with a single tool that is used to quickly lay out the mason's line for accurate corner panels and level plane. You can get a set of 6 for $36. This ingeniously tool ensures accurate nail placement and is ideal for confined spaces. The holder consists of a receptacle for a nail, a prism for the series, and of an impact bolt. The nail receptacle has a quick clamp for simple and quick insertion of the nail. The vertical axis of the prism is identical with the nail axis. The price is $385. The impact bolt is screwed on the upper end of the prism holder. By hitting the bolt with a hammer, the nail can be driven into the board as much as necessary to take the nail holder stand on its own. The prism remains on the stakeout board without any further manual support. This hydration system provides total water coverage for your plants and trees. This high-capacity model holds 121 liters of water. It utilizes 2 removable emitters to release this water slowly over a 5 to 8 hour period. It's weighing 1.3 kilograms and the price is $30. The port features a threaded cap and fits a wide variety of hoses for quick filling. This model fits trees and shrubs up to 15 centimeters in diameter. The durable plastic material contains 2 additives to protect it from UV rays and cold weather. This insulation removal tool is used to peel the bonded insulation screen of medium voltage cables. The tool is suitable core diameters between 18 to 60 millimeters, and the peeling depth can be adjusted from 0.4 to 1.8 millimeters by 0.1 millimeters steps. The tool leaves a very even surface and is equipped with ball bearing to provide an easy turning, so no greasing of the core is needed. It's weighing about a kilogram. This product will be appreciated by people who work with polypropylene pipes. This clamp allows you to accurately and neatly secure and connect 2 pipes of different diameters from 63 to 125 millimeters. The only tool you need is a drill, and the connection will go much faster. Thanks to the product size, you can work in a small space. However, the price is significant, $3,000. Luckily, there's a lot of work in this area. In the US alone, more than 1.6 million kilometers of water pipelines were built back in the 50s, and many of them need to be replaced. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumb up and subscribe for more exciting content.